They can sense your fear.
Oh, God!
Okay.
It will be the single greatest feat in sports history. All right, guys, we're super excited to be here with you today with special guest Donovan Strain.
Hello.
And Doug and Fetty and Chris. And what are we gonna do today?
The future.
I like the future.
Shoes.
Hey, Uzi, can you throw them the box over there? Kurt Cobain has bad hearing, dude. You gotta you can't whisper. Don't throw them. Gently pass them to me.
Firmly grasp it.
No way. Coup wheel? I've never heard. It says coup.
These are too cool.
I'll take those. I think they're a little bag to hold them.
A bag to hold them, and that's what you want?
When you're on the go with your shoes. Shoe bag.
Oh, heck yeah.
Go.
Heck yeah. Oh my gosh.
Wait, they got wheels. That's not hovering.
Dude, it's heavy.
We have something like that at the deli and it
heavy
slices
that
the meat.
That is a dense piece of machine right there.
True.
These are like too cool for school.
What do you think about that?
Definitely cool for school. We're not in school right now?
They don't strap onto your feet?
I
mean,
think
I don't
you
think so.
should leave it to the expert.
You want to give it a go?
Yes, I do.
Go.
The first thing to be done is figure out how to turn them on. I am Braille's new filmer, right?
Extraordinaire.
How do you know how to turn it on already?
No way. Dang, you look really cool.
Yes! 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 Yes!
These are amazing.
Yeah, can they go faster?
Wait.
They have red and blue flashing lights like you're a cop pulling people over.
Here's the thing. You move them based on weight. You lean forward to move forward. But if you angle your ankles out a little too much, the whole thing will tip over. I'm gonna go up the bank. First try.
Give it all you got, Gabe.
Easy. That was extreme. I had my phone on them.
Hey, it was a pleasure filming you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Aaron, you gotta try them out, dude. They're so fun.
I will. Shoulder.
Oh, come on. No shoulders.
Hey,
Get
hey,
outta
Gabe.
here.
Oh, whoa!
You should feel it moving.
What are those guns?
Oh, my God.
Just turned on and turned off again.
I'm actually convinced that Gabe is a time traveler. There's no way you should know this technology.
Just came back.
Oh, God.
This place is haunted.
I think I could do one-footed, dude.
I was thinking that too.
That means like it's good to go.
Man, you guys are amateurs, man.
We're just normal.
Whoa! All right. Chill out,
What are you doing?
Ow!
Put it down. Put it down all the way.
It's like that scene in Ghostbusters when the toasters came alive.
You feel it moving.
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's backwards. He needs to turn around. It keeps
All right,
going
here. Let me get back on it then. You gotta let Donovan get a go. All right, you're good to go, Donovan.
Time for the toasty ovens. Oh, it's going reverse. Whoa.
You gotta lean your toe forward. Lean your toe forward.
Okay, all right. I get the hang of it. Go toasty ovens. Oh.
When in doubt, just restart it. That's how these things work. Feel that moving now, right?
Dude, that went like 20 miles an hour for a second, dude. I don't know. These street legal? Whoa, this is actually like out of control. Okay, I can't get it to go forward. This is actually nuts, dude. This thing is taking me for a spin. I'm not doing this. I swear to God. Whoa. Okay.
You just got a full set.
That was a backside 360.
Yeah, what? Stop.
They broke.
Dude, let me try again then.
Go.
Let me try again.
I'm convinced that there's actually someone on remote control back there messing with us.
Same.
There you go.
There you go.
You think you can just get right on there and roll it?
Oh, hey, buddy.
When Healy's done electronic. Okay, Magneto.
Whoa. I get dizzy very easily, Carlos.
How do you do that?
There it is. He looks so good. The greatest shot.
I'm gonna start over there and see how fast I can get. I was actually approaching top speed right there. They don't go too fast.
Yeah?
Yeah, because they tip over, and if someone is going like 20 miles per hour and it tips over, you're gonna be in a lot of pain.
Same with a lot of other things we've had.
Okay, so they have a panic mode. You hear that?
Yeah.
When you start pushing the speed, it starts beeping to tell you to slow down. Wait, let me get up the bank and then I'll give it away.
You're not going up the bank.
I'm gonna go up the bank.
You can't go up the bank.
You gotta go slow and steady.
No way.
Yeah, it's not a fast thing. Actually, I don't know if it's possible. I think you can go down. I want to try one last thing, one-footed. Get it, Betty. Get it. Watch. Dang.
That is impressive. There you go. There you go.
See, that's how I would.
I've had the time of my life. Now it's time for you to try, Aaron.
Okay. Actually, you know what we should do? Is attach a skateboard to the top of this.
What the heck?
You gotta try with both first.
I'm afraid of that thing. I don't want to do this.
Here, let me tell you. You lean on your toes and you make correctional adjustments by leaning your heel back. There you go, Fetty. There you go. There you go, Fetty. Yeah.
Alright, let down a minute.
Yeah. Doug, hold this. You know, no one's gonna do anything on these things. I'm taking this video over.
There you go.
Get me up this bank.
Oh, burning out. What do you think, Gabe?
I think they're amazing, and I think all these guys are being really lame. They're not giving it its proper chance.
Hey, if you feel like it, I'll give it a chance for you.
As soon as I roll down this, it's all you.
Oh, he's boosting. He hit the nos.
All right, Uzi, give it a try.
I just want to know what it feels like, that's all. Whoa. Okay, I see.
I think you got this, Uzi.
Let's get 2 feet on. Okay, all right. They can sense your fear.
Oh.
All right, I'm calm. Everyone's gathering over here. I'm gonna go.
Just get quiet surrounded.
All right, I think I got under control. Sometimes they just go out of control, but sometimes they're cool. It's like hit and miss. I'm gonna try to go up.
What? Cop mode. Engaged. These things go as soon as you touch them. First I'm like, oh, I'll put my foot on it, but now I don't even want to put my foot on
You
it.
just jump on it.
All right. Yeah, just a double jump.
Yeah.
There you go. Ready?
Never mind.
Dude, I can't believe how good you are at this. Dude, I can't even keep it straight. Maybe just one at a time.
Whoa.
Oh, there you go.
Let's go back. I landed that. That was a 720. You know what? I got a spin on this thing. Might just have to just. 900. All right, I'm going one more spin. I'm trying to do the full 900. I think that's just what my calling is for. I'm just good at what I'm good at. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'll just take that 720 earlier.
There you go. Keep your legs. You gotta keep it in position.
What do you mean?
You can't let them control you. You have to control them.
Dude, it's so hard.
Just bend your knees.
Okay, hold on.
Keep your toes forward. Like the solo wheel. Think exactly like the solo wheel. Just two separate entities.
never ride the solo wheel?
Yes, you could.
Oh!
There we go.
Oh! Oh, wait, I gotta move? Yeah. Oh! Oh! First strike!
Yeah.
My back seriously just went out. Magneto. Or no, wait, what's the guy with the bald head?
Professor X.
Professor X. Okay, I got this.
Oh, there we go. Should we try to take it off the box?
I don't know. Let me just go again. What if God was one of us?
What's that Aladdin song?
Get that shot, Troy. Nice here. Go all day.
Look at that pose.
Oh, so scary! Oh no!
Look at that.
Second try, first try, both tries. That's how I do my yoga. Ah!
I got a trick I want to try.
Try it.
You know what those free skaters do? How they toss it and then put their foot back on it? That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, after Nigel though.
When you're heading to school, but it's actually 2035.
It's hard to get them both like on the same wavelength. All right. Oh my God! The front one started taking off. The back one just didn't do anything.
They gave you the panic sound, man.
Ah!
When your mom buys you Heelys, but she didn't realize you're a tech skater.
Fun.
Right? All right, Carlos, film this for me real quick.
Oh, you got skills. stop shooting it into my legs, man? God.
Oh, my foot is burning. I'm gonna go up the bank. It's the only thing I haven't vanquished yet.
Okay. Come on, Gabe.
The faking?
That was the sickest thing you could have done.
That was better.
That was incredible. Just incredible.
Oh!
Gabe, off this. You got that?
Yeah, that could happen.
No way. I love how you're checking your iWatch as you're rolling on the coup wheel.
He's checking his watch. He's got other things to do.
I know.
We're all like trying to stand on it. He's like, when am I done here? While he's rolling. I'm pretty sure he was a Power Ranger in the past life.
This one's too steep. I don't think they'll go up it. I'll try off a box
Off
though.
of that? Right.
I'll do off that box and then I'll go off the kicker.
Okay. Dang. No problem.
I could do that.
It will be the single greatest feat in sports history. Oh. Come on, Gabe. Full wang dango.
It
Hold on.
tipped out, you know? Oh yeah,
There you go.
that's why.
Oh! I almost fully ate it. Just like, woof, bam.
I gotta lean back and then lean forward, that's why.
You need to give it the full wang danga, like I told you.
Dude, that was it.
All right, Notification Squad, leave it in the comments below. How many tries does this take Gabe Cruz to land it? We will pick the winner, and we will send you a special prize package.
Some people are just destined for greatness. Kevin Durant, Barack Obama, Gabe Cruz. Between this and that freewheel video, there has to be an open position for him at like a spy agency somewhere. This guy is a superhero. You can't convince me otherwise. He's a superhero. If he lands this, phone's just gonna ring. Arnold Schwarzenegger's me on the other line just to congratulate him. This is insane.
Come on! Look at that disappointment.
Dude, it's unbelievably harder than you would think.
This is the start of your video part. Sponsor me, Gabe Cruz. Leave it in the comments below if you want us to make a Gabe Cruz Cool Wheel sponsor me video.
You guys need to hang a banner up with like his jersey number or something up in the rafters.
Actually, that's true. That's a good
And then to be like Gabe Cruz championship banner, retire his number, have Gabe Cruz bobblehead night. The dude is the champ.
Yeah! Close your legs, dude. Close your legs. You're landing in the splits. You gotta land centered.
This guy, he defies all the laws of physics, math, science. None of this can contain him. Everything you learned in school, throw it out the window when it comes to Gabe. Nothing matters. He's like in another dimension.
Oh no, he's got the basketball.
Look, do you see this?
Wow.
Oh,
No.
now you're showing off. Now
Get
you're
out.
showing off.
Get out of town with that.
Let me get one more.
Hit my knee, I'm done, dude. I'm done.
Killed it.
Dude, we have to throw a parade in his honor. Today will be the anniversary next year of what we just saw.
Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn how to skateboard. You can do it. This is your year.